Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get Builderman skins in Forsaken. Builderman has a fantastic array of cosmetic options to personalize your gameplay experience. While many skins are available for direct purchase, some of the most sought-after ones require completing specific in-game challenges or reaching certain character levels. We'll explore these different methods, helping you discover how to expand your Builderman wardrobe and stand out in every match. Let's dive into the details. One of the most popular Builderman skins, the Engineer, is unlocked through a special in-game quest. To earn it, you must play as Builderman and strategically place his dispenser ability. The key is to ensure this dispenser remains active for a full 120 seconds or 2 minutes without the killer destroying it. Finding a clever, hidden spot on the map is crucial for success. Once completed, the skin is yours. Beyond quests, a wide variety of Builderman skins can be acquired directly from the in-game shop. You'll need to use your accumulated player points, which you earn by playing matches. Simply navigate to the shop, select Builderman, and browse the available skins. Prices for these cosmetic items can range significantly, from around 150 points for basic options to well over 1,000 for more elaborate designs. Choose your favorites. Finally, Builderman also features milestone skins, which are awarded as you level up the character. You can unlock these special skins at levels 25, 50, 75, and 100, showcasing your dedication. Additionally, some rare or limited-time skins might appear, occasionally offering subtle advantages like better camouflage on darker maps. Always keep an eye on the shop for any new or exclusive Builderman cosmetics that might become available.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.